Okay ka lang?
I can't do this anymore. I quit.
Ha? Anong ibig mong sabihin? 10 taon na tayo magkakasama, oh.
Oo, pero never ko naman naramdaman na really part of the group.
Ha?
I'm different from you guys. You never understand.
Never understand? What? Bayaw, we understand.
Baho naman ang hilo nyo. Galing sa puwet.
Ang panghi naman ito.